folks, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to install a leveling kit on the front of a 2006 Nissan Titan. It's a relatively simple install, so you're just going to need a set of metric wrenches and a set of metric sockets, and you're going to want to have a mallet handy to help you get those ball joints apart. All that said, let's head over to the shop.
With the front wheels off, pull the cotter pin from the tie rod end. Then zip the nut off and whack the steering knuckle so that it pops loose. Disconnect the sway bar link from the control arm. Then you'll want to pull the bolt for the lower ball joint so that you can pry it free from the steering knuckle. Moving to the top, pull those upper strut mount nuts. There are 3 of them, and the inside one can be a little tricky to get at. Undo that lower strut mount nut and tap the bolt out of there so that you can drop the strut assembly out of the truck. To install the lift spacer, apply some thread locker to the upper strut mount studs and then slide the spacer onto the strut. Tighten those factory nuts down to 22 foot-pounds. Then you can slide the strut back into the truck and reinstall the lower strut bolt. Tighten that nut down to 96 foot-pounds. Install the 3 included bolts into the upper strut mount and tighten them down to 22 foot-pounds. Slide the lower ball joint back into the steering knuckle and tighten its bolt to 70 foot-pounds. Attach the sway bar link to the control arm and tighten its nut to 62 foot-pounds. Connect the tie rod to the steering knuckle, run its nut down to 58 foot-pounds, and install a fresh cotter pin to make sure everything stays together. Mount up the wheels and tighten the lugs down to 98 foot-pounds.
So we got the leveling kit all installed on our Titan, and we're really happy how it turned out. You might also notice that the back came up just a tad, and that's thanks to a helper spring that we also installed. We went ahead and made a video of that project, so feel free to check it out as well. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit like. If this is the first time you come around to our channel, please hit subscribe. If you have any questions at all about any of our products, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We've been at this a very long time, so if you're dealing with it, we've probably dealt with it too. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.